Welcome to another Indicia Worldwide edition on thought leadership. And joining me today here in Singapore are our Chief Technology Officer, Lee Allan,
Hi.
and Simon Andrews, who is a client partner focusing on innovation and growth. If we ran a poll right now using the term, what does innovation mean to you? I reckon we'd at least get 50 different responses, depending on how many people we ask. What does innovation mean to you? Let me start with you, Simon, from a client solutions perspective.
Innovation is often driven by a desire within our clients to make better decisions. It's one of the guiding factors, one of the guiding principles. And innovation is an enabler of that. And whether we're using sustainability, whether we're looking at design, whether we're looking at technology, whatever it might be, it's an enabler of driving better decision making and informing better decisions.
Those actionable insights that our clients very much value and want in order to drive growth. And you touched on technology, which is obviously core to our value proposition and a key lever of delivering innovation. So Lee, since we have you here in Singapore, why don't you share with us what's your perspective from a tech point of view?
Certainly. So from a tech perspective, it's echoing what Simon said. It's very much about iteration. It needs to result in solving a key business problem and doing it in a very, very new, quicker, more agile way. And the way, what will break this down during this conversation is how our technology can support a lot of Simon's initiatives that he's already spoken about.
And do you think innovation and, powered by technology that fulfills both efficiency, we can deliver innovation that saves our clients time and money, but also drives growth and reaches out to a broader base of customers?
One of the things that our clients are always looking for is more data to make more informed decisions. And we've got an exciting program happening here in a couple of our key markets in going to the coalface, out to the field and gathering pertinent data, which is, whether that's around physical spaces, whether it's around attitudinal data, psychographics of customers, pulling that all back up into our technology platforms to be able to drive better and informed decisions. And that's really exciting, and that's, it's when you see that sort of loop and see it connect back up, you realize how much value you have in the sort of the clients that you work with.
And I would echo that from a technology perspective. I mean, what we tend to do is maybe the technology might not focus specifically on efficiency or effectiveness. The idea is that we enable both of those. I mean, we keep talking about technology as an enabler, and very much as an example that we tend to build things in a very modular sense and with an idea of fulfilling both of those objectives. Data is an excellent example. We use our data hub to capture all the data in its rawest possible format. And we put that in one place, sometimes until we know what to actually do with it. You don't necessarily know the value of it until you collect it. You work out what that value is and you activate it. That could be driving efficiencies, could be driving effectiveness. That's just one example, but our whole technology stack is based around those principles.
Yeah. How agile and how nimble does our tech stack need to be? And does it have to be, do you have to boil the ocean all at once, or how does that evolve from a technology point of view?
I think boiling the ocean is the trap that people do fall into. So we'd certainly avoid that. I've just touched on it earlier, but it's built in a very modular way. The idea for that is we spoke about incremental and iterative gains. It is to achieve just that. So actually just use what's right for you. I mean, we talk about a well-known fact across marketing technology, for example, that I think only 42% of marketing technology goes unused. So that's an example of where people try to boil in the ocean. And the result of that is you just don't use your tech stack. So our idea is to pick one or two components of the technology stack that works for you on a specific use case, in a specific market, for a specific brand, and then grow outwards from there.
And that's really talking to that test, learn and optimize, kind of mentality that we have. And in this part of the world, we're set up really well for that, to be able to do that. There's nuances across, different markets within such a large region. And again, coming back to that doing the do, as you said, getting in there into different markets, you find those nuances. And then to be able to have the ability to be agile and have the modularity within your technology is closing that loop, which is essential.
Yeah. How iterative do you think from a tech perspective it is to take clients on that journey?
It's really critical because, I mean, again, we keep speaking about iterative, but the client must be willing to do that as well. And where we work most successfully is the clients who are willing to take that iterative approach with that bigger goal in mind. So we can set, exciting long-term goals, but it's about client investing. In some cases, we have brand new technology that we've developed, and we just need a client to go on that journey with us to start connecting all of those dots, and a client who kind of invests in that. And our return on that sort of, investment in our technology is that we deliver to our roadmap and our long-term goals. So the client has a confidence that we will deliver everything we said that we will deliver downstream to keep in step and in lockstep with their goals as well.
Thank you so much, Simon and Lee, for taking time out. I think it was a really, hopefully, insightful discussion on innovation and driving growth for our clients in Asia Pacific. And for more information, you can refer to the web link that will be shown on the screen below. Thank you once again. Have a great day, everyone.